Hello everyone. Today I am creating the machinery grid layout and how to implement this grid machinery on the oxygen page builder. So see the view. It is the automatic setup the based on the image size in the mobile device, desktop, everything. So let's start how in 5 minutes how to implement this machinery layout on the oxygen page builder. So I've already implemented. So just show you the quick overview. First, you need to add the section where this is the main grid section. There we need to add the grid class, then add all the child image and put the grid item of the each of the child section. So there you can use the static image. Also, you can use the repeater, whatever. But when you use the repeater, just put the repeater on the main class grid, and all the repeater item need to should be this class, or then you can use the dynamic post listing also. So this is the all the images list. Then you need to add the code block. A code block in added the all the JavaScript library and CSS and Java custom code. So here is the, I added the two JavaScript related to the machinery and image load. Then I have added the few CSS with this we can do with the Oxygen page builder, but it just I have added for show you the just a small CSS for the this grid layout. And last things I have added the small JavaScript code for to show the machinery layout on this page. So let's go to the front end and see how it is looking the this all the image different type of the image size on front end. So go to here, reload page. See all image looking perfect position. So this is look like the machinery layout. So check this video and let me know if you have any feedback. Then you can comment on my channel or post. So and also you can subscribe WP Love Stream. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.